Turbo engine. A turbo engine, also known as a turbocharged engine, is a vehicle engine that uses a turbocharger to increase its power and fuel efficiency. Components: 1 turbine driven by exhaust gases. 2 compressor driven by turbine, compresses air. 3 intercooler cools compressed air. 4 wastegate regulates turbo boost pressure. 5 boost control system. Manages turbo operation. Working principle: 1 exhaust gases spin turbine. 2 turbine drives compressor. 3 compressor compresses air. 4 compressed air enters engine cylinders. 5 fuel injection and ignition occur. 6 engine produces increased power.